Super Time Force, Metro Last Light, Zombie Army Trilogy, Homefront The Revolution, Jetpac Refuelled, theHunter Call of the Wild, Ruiner, Monday Night Combat, Gears of War Judgment, State of Decay, Agents of Mayhem, Metal Slug Roman 20, Toy Soldiers Cold War, Steredenn Binary Stars, Shadow Warrior, Dead Rising 2, Dead Island Riptide, Perfect Dark Zero, Resident Evil Revelations 2, Dead Island, Gears of War 2, Saints Row Roman 4, Gears of War 3, Warhammer Vermintide 2, Metro 2033, State of Decay 2, Gears of War, Fallout 3, Gears 5, Sunset Overdrive, Metal Gear Solid V Ground Zeroes, Mass Effect, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Hitman, Wolfenstein The New Order, Halo 5 Guardians, Rise of the Tomb Raider, Gears of War 4, Sniper Elite 4, Dune, Halo, the Master Chief Collection.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.